really good. All right, y'all, jumping into this video. I have hair by WowAfrican. I love this company. Their hair is just like A1, top tier. And get into the packaging. And this is bulk human hair. Get into the texture. It's gorgeous. Yeah, I love doing braids with this texture of hair. And then they also sent me like a little gift bag. And they got all of the things: a wig cap, an edge brush, some clips, comb, a wrap band, because we gotta represent. Like, everything has a logo on it. African. Let it be known, baby. Okay, so my hair is already pre-sectioned out, and this time I'm going to start off in the back and work my way up. Okay, the hair comes separated a little bit. That's convenient. It's separated in like these little clusters. So now I can just grab one of the smaller individual clusters and braid from there. All right, you guys, so I'm ready to start on the second bundle, and I have about 15-16 braids left at the top. So let me show you what I'm doing here. So like I said, the bundles come in like these little smaller bundles. So I just grab one, these to the side. I just use another little clip. And then from here, the hair come in smaller little clusters. So take one, pull it apart. So in the front, I'm using 2 clusters per braid. And then in the back, I was using 1 cluster per braid. I'm adding in 3 pieces of hair per braid in the back. And then in the front, 4 pieces of hair per braid. So I just go ahead and pre-section all the clusters. Put this one braid over here. Like I said, 2 clusters. Add a little this braid gel. Put a little bit at the top, and then I just split it in half. See? So split it in half, and then hold on, let me swoop my edges right quick. And I'm using this 𝐏𝐵 glue. That's the only thing I like to use on my edges, because anything else, baby, is not going to last. This, my edges stay laid for at least like a day and a half, sometimes 2 days. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so like I said, I have 4 little pieces of hair already sectioned out, 4 per braid. I go in with my little braid gel, put that all around, of course. Split my hair into 3 and start braiding my natural hair. Then I go in with one of the little human hair cluster pieces, pulling it out, and then continue to braid down. Of course, I will go in and add some more braid gel, because working with bulk hair, that part of the hair can be sticking out of your braid. To prevent doing all that extra work, I just like to put some more edge control on my hair. Braid down a little bit more. Add in the 3rd piece. Like, sometimes you just can't prevent that hair from sticking out. Like, you see how that's there? I'll go back in and cut that. Grab my last piece of hair. Pulling that 3rd piece back out. And then I just finished the braid with 1 piece of that hair I added in. If you have trouble like braiding short hair, because look, some of these pieces are short, like that's my natural hair, and you don't want to split the hair in half, just make sure you end with 3 pieces. I'm okay to end with just 1 piece, because I can just separate this little piece of hair, but that's too difficult. If that's too difficult for you, or you find yourself struggling, just finish with 3 pieces of hair. And there. Now you can see I have 3 pieces coming out of my braid, and then I finish with a curly piece. Yeah. And on to the next. Guess who got 3 braids left? Guess who got 3 braids left? Okay. Love her down. Y'all, I've been working on this container since like last summer. No lie, probably going on a year. Now, I didn't use it every single time I did my hair, but I've used it a lot. And for the price, I'll get it again. Because I want to say it was like $20, $19, something like that. Guess who need to wash their hair? Guess who need to wash their hair? Make sure these parts line up. I want to lock my hair up so bad, but not until I find another way to make money. Because I literally braid my hair for a living, and I get a lot of sponsorships from doing my hair. I'm not just doing my hair and filming it on YouTube. And I already have my pieces separated. Ta-da, voila. Usually I would use like a pegboard, but I don't feel like it slowed me down either, not having my hair pre-sectioned, because it takes time to pre-section the hair, which is why I've been loving miracle knots. I know this video is not about miracle knots, but yeah. Keep that going, and then go ahead and take this section out. Then add on the last piece of hair. Finish that off. Separate this hair a little bit so I can, you know, braid it down. Y'all, I am moving. Well, I move tomorrow, and I just been doing the most. I've only packed the kitchen, and honestly, I still have 2 more cabinets to pack. But I did break down my bed. Me and my girl Diamond. I get my keys tomorrow, but I get the U-Haul truck on Thursday. It's a lot when you think about it, but it's actually not a lot because it's just me, and I'm only in a 1-bedroom apartment right now. But I'm ready to move into a 3-bedroom house with an office, a large backyard. Oh, baby, it's nice. A 2-car garage and an open kitchen, living room concept. It's so nice. But yeah, my hair is gonna be so cute. Okay, so I'm finally on my last braid. This style really didn't take me that long. Now, because I started so late in the day yesterday, this is the 2nd day that I'm working on my hair. But for me to be doing boho braids using 𝐏𝐫𝐞𝐦𝐻 hair, it didn't take me as long as I expected, honestly. Pull that hair loose, and you'll be good to go. Okay, all done. It looks so good. Parts are so clean. And I basically used 1.5 packs of hair because this is how much is left from the 2nd bundle. And look how thick my hair is. Alright, so here's my hair in its natural state. I mean, of course you can leave it like this because it is absorbing. Please don't pay attention to the boxing. Okay, so I'm going to start off just using water, and then I'll follow up with this wrap lotion. Getting a little bit of shedding, but you know that's expected with 𝐏𝐶𝐾 hair. And look at that, look how good that looks. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's take her to the back. And because this hair is like a tight curly texture, I'm just using my fingers to define the curls. You know, just finger combing the hair versus like using one of the Denon brushes I usually use. Okay, so here's one side all done. Looks really good. Look at that. I love this. Oh, that's so cute. Can't even tell they braids until I do this, but before, after. But like, this is so cute. Like, oh, look at the texture.
So cutesy, cutesy, cutesy.
So cute. To the side. All right, you guys. I'm gonna come back on later and show you guys what it looked like. Quick update. This is how I'm going to let my hair air dry. So I just have it like pulled back. But this is so cute. I did those edges, baby. Be back for real. Okay, really quick, this is what my hair looked like dry. It pretty much kept its length, but yeah. Go get yours.